Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock Google Pixel 10 Pro without password. Okay, so let's begin. So as you can see, my screen lock is set and I cannot remember the password and now what to do. I would tell you that there is a method to unlock this device, but we need to have a few things in mind. First thing, please only try to unlock your phone, in no other case someone else's, because that might be considered as a crime and that's also unethical, so have that in mind. Second thing is that we need to perform a factory reset, which will cause that all of our data will be erased from our device. I'm sorry, but that's the only method to unlock this device when it has a password set. Once everything is told, what to do? First, let's power off our device. Let's click the power button and volume up button and select power off. Now our device will be shut down. And now we need to enter the recovery mode, because from recovery mode we will be able to perform a factory reset of our device. To launch it, we need to hold the power button and volume down button at the same time. We need to hold them. Okay, and now the fastboot mode launched first. Now using the volume keys, we need to select recovery mode and now click the power button to confirm. Also, if you don't want to, lose all of your data, you can try to go into the authorized center with the proof of purchase of your device, and in that place you can try to look for help. Now, as you can see, the Android logo appeared and it says no command. Now, to move forward, we need to hold the power button and we need to click volume up. And now we are in the Android recovery. Using the volume keys, now we need to select wipe data / factory reset. Now click the power button to confirm. And now that's the last moment when you can stop, because when you now click factory data reset, the process will start and all of our data will be erased. Okay, but if you want to go through, click the power button. Now the process has started. We can now see that data wipe has been completed. Now select reboot system now, click the power button, and now within a few seconds the phone will be turned on, and the next thing we need to do is to set up our device. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.